Usoseshini wengamele omasipala kuleli South African Local Government Association uthi uzoqhubeka nokuphonsela inselelo isinqumo sokwethulwa kwesigaba sesibili somthetho lawo lamacala omgwaqo obizwa nge-Administration and Adjudication of Road Traffic Offences Act ngolwasemzini kulandela ukuthi ke inkantolo ephakeme yase-Gauteng i-North Gauteng High Court ishicileleke isicelo noma ngathi sichithile isicelo esiphuthumayo salo soseshini sokuphikisana nalomthetho. Inkantolo yenqumeke ukuthi akukho okuphuthumayo ngalolu daba ngakho ke ukufaneleka kokuhlala kwaleli cala kuzolalelwa kamuva. ISALGA ithi sakhathazekile ngokuthi ke lolu hlelo lokuxhaswa kwe-ARTO luzofaka ingcindezi enkulu yezomnotho komasipala abangeke futhi bekwazi ukumelana nayo. Yabeke isishaya ikhwele lokuthi kubhekisiswe kabanzi ukusetshenziswa kwalomthetho ukuthi noma ngathi ukuthi akukho yini la ozobela nganxanye ngakhona.
Yeah, of course, we must state that we are really disappointed regarding the outcome of today. The reality of the matter is that the core issues that we have been raising, which we wanted the court to provide relief on, are still yet to be argued. Our legal team is preparing to take the matter forward as we have engaged with them. And as you know, part of what we have been raising sharply is the funding model which underpins the Act and more particularly its regulations. As we have said, and we are still reiterating now, that municipalities are already operating in an increasingly constrained financial environment and fiscal as well, with limited resources to deliver essential services to our communities. We are still maintaining that the Department of Transport has failed to provide meaningful consultation as they have promised, and practical solutions to matters that we have been raising all along. We must say, as we have said before, we have lodged an intergovernmental dispute in terms of the Intergovernmental Relations Framework Act, and this dispute centers around the issues that we have raised. This dispute, it's also on the timing and the financial model of ARTO implementation, and the need for municipalities to have a meaningful input in the regulations that directly affect their operations and their budget. So we are still in consultation with our legal team on how best are we moving forward with today's outcome.